Welcome to the Eastern Paradigm. In today's report, we are going to talk about the most important news. Israel and Palestine are heading towards full-scale war. According to the Israeli government spokesperson, the war already claimed 600 in Israel, whereas schools have been closed till 10 October. Retaliatory Israeli airstrikes have killed at least 370 people in Gaza Strip, with 2,200 wounded as said by the Palestinian officials. Now, moving to the next news. A powerful 6.3 magnitude earthquake struck western Afghanistan near the Iranian border, devastating at least 12 villages near Herat. The Taliban government initially estimated a death toll exceeding 2,000, but later clarified that this figure included both deaths and injuries. Most affected communities are remote and built with mud structure, with building collapsing during the initial quake, causing the significant destruction. Moving on to regional news, on October 8 at 1:20 p.m., government railway police conducted a significant operation at New Bongaigaon railway station. They seized 580 grams of illegal gold from the Deoghar Weekly Express train, tracing it back to Agartala, Tripura. Pipan Kumar from Bihar was apprehended in the operation, led by officer-in-charge Sanjeev Chaudhary. Investigations are ongoing to reveal more about this illegal gold traffic. Moving on to the last news, the 77th Santosh Trophy 2023 kicked off from the 8th October. The Group D matches are scheduled in Sai Stadium, Kokrajhar, Assam and KTSF Kokrajhar Playground. The final match will be held in Arunachal Pradesh. These were the important news for today. We will be back with such more news in upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned with Eastern Paradigm. Thank you.